It's a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. Take control of any situation. With an impressive amount of different seating and storage combinations, you can carry kids, dogs, groceries, luggage, nearly anything you can think of. It's well equipped with the features you need: auxiliary audio input, 4 12-volt power outlets, dual zone climate control, multifunction steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Can a vehicle be daring yet sensible? Yes, it's a Dodge. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.